Ka Sherwood School tura kali obat eka kerdan ka Manengkong, haka result ka stand neka SSLC, kat ba ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, ba ka St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong, kali obat eka kerdan ka Manengkong haka result class 12, neka HSSLC, haka jing perbena jong ka embus eka result menta ka sengito ding, ka arposau tarik jembang arjar posau. Naka Sherwood School tura, wa Anut Chetri, ulapas haka kerdan ka Manengkong, naka bayo sanspa anyo pesan max, naka tup ki top 20, ka Ali Theyas Imli jong ka St. Margaret Higher Secondary School Shillong, kawan haka kerdan ka baar, da ka bayo sanspa anyo pesan mak, kad ba ikon jinial karsono naka Christian Academy Shillong, iwan haka kerdan balay, da ka bayo sanspa anyo pui max. Haka HSSLC Arts, umenang man kraw karkongor jong ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong, bad ugorof baharali jong ka St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong, kiwan haka kerdan Manengkong, bad baro arngut kiyo sauspa an ribu pramax. Kata ni syadas kawan kerdan baar, da ka bayo sauspa asan pui max, badul salseng marak haka kerdan balay, da ka bayo sauspa asan pui max. Barbara armut kidai na Don Bosco College, jongka Higher Secondary Section Tura.
So I wish to thank you for bringing out the name of St. Anthony's, and we have been expecting you. And all of us, we were sure that you will really get the top, and you did it, and we are proud of you. All throughout your life from matric and 11, 12, you have come up the top, and we hope that in future, in other degrees and other studies, you will also do the same. And may your life continue to be bright, and may continue to shine.
Thank you, Father.
May root mo, may pa kibala po din ya manang ba ting long na student to be taste stop, but you don't like iba. But bawan sakmat berbor hakam jam yang leader pun sak pun betah ya dan si ibu sab ayat kena jadi grade hajat kelas ke semua sikade ya memang betah ke semua dari kayak sudah kena jiba betul.
Na dan berlain mo yung magkuha tayo kicing isnay kijumo bang halapan niyo ako kanita kedan kabangta tingay play may ipa yado nung siya kicing kersan nila kicing anisim kung tabi at kay baro nado ki kay lower primary secondary at high secondary ru na marbang lapas na gani hikajo hika school nado class nursery tingay play ki na marbang kila nung siya ka kila nga benong ba kila irap ba kila pen wandur agar ka jinang dor ba siya mo ado pangalapan yo ini dan kita tahi bana bleru ki parlong ba mana ka pon ki baju irap lang yang ani karu kom pekse kelong ba alarangi pe ya ka kenta ke kaju kelamo na bisi lembu ya ka proper schedule nomor ba man kasi ki jinja ki bakher ki hanja te dai man kasi kumba na nong ar lang nilai kita naman hagi jing si sate hadu mentang apa yo ika fun mo te ki jinam kam ki ba ayo school but juru naki perlok barohi menuju yo bi ka fun ki ini baju itu pa di sebenarnya saya yang kata mentahi ng palaban ong na marba kajing wa tangad don tang ba kapwa hikan sa tangada public mo yang kata Ramadan kajing wa ngawan siya kamat SSLC taga second